Hello everyone! Julia and Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw Panda from webarebears. Okay, you guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. And what you will need for drawing Panda today? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay, guys, let's draw our Panda today. So we are drawing Panda from webarebears. So let's draw our Panda from its size. So I will just draw two circles, so a bit of squished ones, so they must be perfect, and put a dot inside. It will be its size, so I will put a distance not too far away, almost the same as an eye, and then I will draw another one, a squished one as well, and a dot inside. If they're not similar, it's absolutely fine. And now let's draw a curved line here for its nose. So I'm drawing a curved line here, and now I will draw its nose in the middle, just between under this line, just an oval, just color it. And let's draw its smile, just a little curved line here. So our panda looks absolutely great, and let's draw its head. So I'm drawing a squished line like a semicircle and going down and down here. So now just above its eye I will draw a semicircle for its ear, and above this eye I will draw another semicircle. So now we will be drawing its hands, because our panda loves social media and loves iPhones and phones and very fancy, and we will draw a phone for our panda. So we're drawing a line down, and then we will go up and down. So I'm drawing its hand and two lines here, and the same I will do here. So I will keep a distance here for the phone, so I will draw a little bit out, curved line down, up and down, and two lines here. So, and our panda is holding a phone, and something interesting is that its side. So we'll go up, and then a straight line, like we are drawing a rectangle inside, invisible line down, and then connecting. So this is really fun. And let's draw a circle and one circle around for the phone case, and something interesting is inside our panda. I will draw a little diagonal line down and down, and just connect them, and we'll draw a line here. So it's big phone our panda is holding. So I will draw a curved line here, just like this. And now let's draw a line, just continue on this one, and curved it, and the same here. So now we will draw its legs. So it's easy peasy. We draw a line here, not too long actually, just a bit, and then we will curve it a little bit, and we will connect them, and we'll draw two lines here. And now we will do the same, try to keep the same distance, like for its leg you can measure with pencil or just by your eye. And I will draw a line, a little bit squished, and connecting them, and two curved lines here. And now we will draw a curved line just up, like this. And we will also draw a curved line here. So, and it will be a line going here as well. Yeah, like this. So we can just connect this line here, so it will be better even if we will just connect them, just for coloring. And now all we have to do is just to color our panda. Okay guys, let's color our panda, and I'm coloring from its eyes, and I'm using warm gray, and you can use markers or pencils, or maybe you have crayons. So we just color, and our panda is very excited, and he sees something interesting in his phone. So I will color this gray, this spot as well, and just a bit under the phone, so it will be also gray. And now we will color his hands and leave this stripe white and color the spot with gray as well, his legs. So our panda is really fancy and cute, and I love panda. So, and now let's color the phone. I will use pink for this spot and dark gray for the phone, or maybe even black. Let's see. Yeah, we can use even just black for the phone, or we can shade it with pencils, and I will use just pencil here for shading a bit. And our panda is adorable, and we can also add some spotlights here, so we just can drop a few spotlights here, just to add a little bit of volume, not too many. Like I would add a line for the phone, just to pop it, and here as well, and a bit on its legs. So, and we also can use a light gray pencil just to drop some shadows, not too many, just a bit, just to add this 3D volume, just to understand the volume of our panda. It looks really adorable, and I really love panda, so I will draw little hearts here, and you can use just a red pen or a pencil. So probably our panda loves what it sees in its phone. So, and maybe one more here, just a bigger one. So I'm drawing hearts of different shapes, and then I will draw just a line around it. So I will draw like a squished oval here and repeat it. And you can draw one more line. So it's love all around. Love our panda, it's really great. Look guys, how cute is our panda. Well done guys. This is just the most cutest panda we have created today. Well done. Thank you for watching this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed drawing Panda with us. And if you enjoy our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We love you, guys. Bye-bye.